how to add music to Windows Media Player. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you downloaded a music and want to add it to your Windows Media Player? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Windows Media Player and make sure that the music that you have downloaded is in your front, and then you can just tap on the music and drag it here on the Windows Media Player like I'm doing, and just place it here, and then there you go. It has been added and it will automatically start playing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.